Hey, welcome back to my channel. This video is a special video. I thought about this one for a few weeks now. First of all, best wishes for wonderful holidays and Merry Christmas. So I have some notes there back here because I don't want to forget anything. First of all, I want to thank you all for your support. Really amazing support throughout the year. In each and every project I did. As you know, we've gathered a small community around many channels, and this is really great. It's not usual that we see that in other kind of channels. So in tractoring channels, this is really great. There's one point I want to mention is that I really enjoy your comments. And not only on my own videos, but on other channels, other videos. I might not be the only one, but I go through all the comments on other videos. I read most of them, and most of the time I learn something new. And I learn about you, I learn about others' channel, and I like it. And I thought of one idea that we could do in that video. It's really a good thing for us to support others' channel, especially the small one that I appreciate most. And I came up with some good idea, I think, to let you know what others' channel are. You know, we can see others' channel when available. On my channel, if you go in the section channel, you will see all the subscribed channel I have. All of those channels, I really enjoy them. And most of them, most likely you know them already, but maybe there's some that you don't know. And this is what I do on others' channel. I go through that list and click each and every one and look at what is the content. And this is how I found a lot of great channels. And now I'd like to use some shoutouts, but actually I could not shout out more than 50 channels. Makes no sense. But I'd like to do something else. So what I'll do is a small quiz about others' channels, other subscriber, and if you know them well, then you'll be able to know who I'm talking about. And I selected 20 channels random in my page, and if you don't have the answer, you can go through my channels list and try to get some answer. So I go through 20 sentence clues, special subjects the channels is covering, and I dare you to find them all. I'm going to put the answer in the comments below, but I invite you to try to get the most good answers. This is all about channels I have in my channels list. For example, if I tell you cheers, then maybe you think about GP Outdoors. That's right. So the first, number one, as always, my videos are free. Second, how's she doing? Third, he has a special rear blade that he can angle and offset for snow removal. Fourth, you like fancy car and excavator. The fifth, Kubota and Stihl are his preferred brands, and he had no luck recently with the massive Ferguson. Sixth, very new channel featuring a guy with too much time and a lot of tools. Really new channel. Seventh, he recently found out so much odd stuff buried in his backyard with his Massey. 8. Featuring a Massey and rocket stoves. 9. If you don't know how to do it, he will know it. 10. He has one very popular video about the Kubota rollover, and he shares his experience about it. 11. Driving a B-2650, boat, and even a jet plane. 12. That is where cold weather on a Kubota gets its full meaning. 13. He has two Massey and affectionates dogs. 14. A lot of sheds, logging, vintage tools, and a Massey. 15. Snowblowing with a Kioti and outdooring in Minnesota. 16. Featuring two Massey logging near a lake. 17. Suburban farm, a B2601, and a new huge garage. 18. A farmhouse, a bowlands, and a pole barn. 19. A young man running a GC 2610 with numerous attachments. And the last, 20. A retired man logging with a Kubota in Ohio. So let me know in your comments how many of them you found, and please share with me what is your preferred channel and why you like this channel. Thank you and have a good week.